We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your toner on a Brother HL2770dw. So this printer, it takes a TN420 or a TN450. The 420 is going to be the low yield, which is just less ink. The 450 is a high yield, which is just more ink. So open your hatch. Pull this lever. This is going to be your drum and toner combined. You want to press this green button right here and it'll release this toner. Set that to the side. Unbox your new toner and then you're going to take it, you're going to put it in. Once it clicks, you know it's in there. Put it back in your printer. Once it clicks yet again, you know it's in the printer. Shut your hatch and then your printer should initialize and then you'll be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.